How to link your partner on Flow app. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how you can link your partner on the Flow application. This feature allows your partner to view updates about your cycle, pregnancy journey, and other shared insights directly through their own Flow account. So if you're ready to connect your accounts, follow these simple steps. So first of all, you can open Flow application on your phone and sign into your account. So once you're signed in, you'll be redirected to the home screen and you're going to search for the option of partner at the bottom right corner. So you're going to simply click on partner and you'll be able to see a pink button that says link your partner. So you're going to simply click on it and Flow will generate a unique pairing code or invitation message that you can send directly to your partner. So you can simply copy this code over here and you can send it to whoever you want to do so in order for them to become your partner. Or you can also see the code from here and type it on your partner's phone. You can also click on send pairing code. And then you can send this message to them that says, join me on Flow for Partners to supercharge our relationship and connect better. All you need to do is download the Flow application. So your partner will need the Flow application and enter this unique pairing code in order to become your partner. So once the code is entered, the accounts will be linked automatically. Your partner can now access shared information and receive insights designed to help them better understand and support you. If the partner tab isn't showing up or the code isn't working, then make sure that both apps are updated to the latest version. You can also try regenerating a new code and sending a fresh invitation.